Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from greedy algorithm, which is n meeting in one row. Okay, so you need to schedule maximum number of non-overlapping meetings. Okay, so how it is given? See, this one is given two array start and end. So for example, your first meeting is starting at time 1 and ending at time 2. Then second one is starting at time 3 ending at 4. Okay, so if this currently in my question this end array is sorted. Okay, if it is not sorted, so first you need to sort it. Now see, if it is starting from 1 to n, okay, so what is the question? First I am explaining that. So see, first meeting is going from 1 to 2. Okay, then second one is 3 to 4. So this is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now the second one is 3 to 4, means this one. Third one is 0 to 6. Okay, so let's say this is 0 and this is nothing. Okay, so now let's say 0 to 6 means from here to here. Okay, and then 5 to 7, so this one is your 5 to 7. Okay, and then 8 to 9, this one is 8 to 9, and 5 to 9, so this one is your 5 to 9. So now you need to schedule maximum number of non-overlapping meeting. Okay, how you will do it? See, if I if I cancel out this one, 0 to 6, okay, and if I cancel out this one, so I will be having 4 meetings. Okay, so initially I was having 6 minus 4, so 2 meetings I cannot schedule, but 4 meeting I have scheduled maximum. Okay, so the same thing is the logic also. See, in logic what we will do, we will simply doing sorting. Okay, so, sorting the meeting from its end time on the basis of its end time, and then your last is take two variable. Okay, count and last end. Initially your count will be 0 and your last count will be 1, because you will take at least one meeting, right? So, and your last end will be pointing to this 0th index of end. Okay, so this one will be your last one, means 1 to 2, so you are definitely taking. Okay, now you need to check the next meeting start time should be greater than previous meeting end time, correct? If the previous meeting ends, then only the next meeting will start, right? So yeah, 2 and 3, you will compare 2 and 3. Okay, so see here, meetings dot get I dot start, you're comparing it with last end. Okay, this one is last end is 2 and you're starting I from 1. Okay, so this 3 is your start. So you're checking if 3 is greater than 2, then the condition fine. Okay, so you will do count plus plus, so you will have one more meeting, and your last end will become now this second meeting's last when second meeting's end, because now your second meeting you will compare with your second meeting, okay, to third meeting, so this one will become 4. Okay, now check this 4 with the 0. Okay, so no, condition false, so what you will do, I plus plus, so now check this 4 with this 5, yes, condition true, so now this 7 will become your count plus plus and 7 will become your last end. Okay, now check with this 8, I plus plus, right? So check with this 8 and 7, yeah, condition true, so plus 1, and here your 9 will come. Okay, this end, this last end. And check with this 5, no, condition false, so what is your answer? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 4 is your answer, and that is what we are doing here. If you see, we are iterating meeting from I equal to 1. Okay, because 0th one though we have taken in initial last end, no? So if the condition is true, then you're doing count plus plus and you're updating the value of last end, and at the end you will just return the value of count. That's it. Thank you.